Money Manifestation Binaural Beats. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Money Manifestation Binaural Beats. We all know people we would describe as successful in life. They seem to make the most of every situation, and life to them just seems to be a breeze. We may even have felt a little envious of such people, as everything seems to come to them with little effort. We comfort ourselves by saying, they are born lucky. What we do not realize is such people are good at the act of manifestation. They are able to bring about change in their circumstances through the direction of their mind or consciousness, whether they know it or not. The good news is that this power of manifestation lies within each of us, and all we have to do is learn how to use it. Manifesting abundance, which is the ability to manifest the things you want in life, is a skill that can be learned like any other skill. Just as we can learn how to play a musical instrument, play tennis, cook a good meal, so we can learn the skill of manifesting. How good you get depends on how much practice you put in and how well you learn the skill. And just as in sport or some other walk of life, where some people are better than others at certain skills, we can improve our skill level with practice and become better than we were before we embarked on improving selves. Some people are so good at manifesting abundance, they do not even realize they are doing it. Everything just comes to them naturally, like a trained musician plays a musical instrument effortlessly, seemingly without thinking about it. Such people have simply learned to believe that they deserve whatever they desire, and it becomes part of their reality. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.